Hi, I'm Anne Mowbray, a real estate agent with Royal LePage Magna, the Baga team in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today, I'm going to explain how you can determine the market value of your home. Understanding your home's market value is key when selling or buying. Let's break down how it's assessed and the factors that influence pricing. First off, let's talk about location. The location of your home plays a major role in its value. Properties in desirable neighborhoods, near schools, parks, or transportation often have higher values. For instance, homes in downtown areas tend to cost more than those in more rural settings. Next up, we have comparable sales, or comps. Real estate agents often look at recent sales of similar homes in the same area to determine a home's market value. If a home like yours in the same neighborhood recently sold for $400,000, it gives us a solid baseline for your home's price. Now let's discuss home size and condition. The square footage and number of rooms, like bedrooms and bathrooms, can impact value. Bigger homes typically have a higher price tag. The overall condition of the home is also crucial. A well-maintained home is more attractive to buyers and can increase value. Moving on to market trends. The real estate market fluctuates. In a seller's market where demand is high, home prices tend to go up. In a buyer's market where supply exceeds demand, prices may decrease. If you're selling in a hot market, you might be able to list higher than if the market is slow. Lastly, let's talk about unique features. Things like a renovated kitchen, a finished basement, or a swimming pool can increase the value of your home. If your home has a large backyard with a pool, it might attract more buyers willing to pay a premium. So, to summarize, the market value of your home depends on location, comparable, sales, size, condition, market trends, and unique features. If you're curious about your home's market value, feel free to reach out for a professional home valuation. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow for more real estate tips.